Daryl here with Twin Falls Volkswagen. Here's a really sharp 2021 Hyundai Sonata SEL. Beautiful car. It's a white pearl. I like the black treatment on this front end. Makes it look really pretty. Just doing a quick walk around. We had the windshield replaced. It says do not wash until tomorrow. So can't wash it until tomorrow. Well, don't take it to a car wash, have it done. Looks good here. Looking at this front. Tires have good tread. Wheel looks good. I'm gonna walk around the outside and then I'll do the inside. Back wheel, tire. That looks good. Those look like new tires. I think those are new tires, but I'm not gonna put my hand on a Bible and promise, okay? It's got a bumper protector that goes on the top to protect against damage, and looks like it's done a good job. Yes, my hands are a little bit shaky today. Windows have been tinted, but I don't see any scratches, dings, or dents in it. Looks like it's in really good shape. It's got blind spot warning. Looks like it's got all the safety things you could want. Let's look at the inside. Now, standing here at the driver's side, you have power mirrors, power windows, power locks, all that good stuff. Power driver's seat, cloth seats, excellent shape. I see we've got 2 sets of keys. That's always really nice. With remote start, no less. Let's take a look at the rest of the vehicle. So I've started it up, and boy, is it warm in here. 53,069 miles as she sits, and yes, it's about out of fuel. You're not gonna go find one on a dealership lot that's got gas in it, do you? Seriously? I think it's un-American. Anyway, this has automatic headlights, your wipers. Let's see, our voice, Bluetooth, volume control, all there. Mode, it changes radio. Change radio. Lane departure, lane keep, adaptive cruise control. Sweet. That's always nice to have. That's what I'm seeing here. It's got, oh, it does have smart cruise control, so adaptive cruise. Nice little setup. Touchscreen radio system, AM, FM, and XM. Let's see. Do we have nav? Blue Link, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Menu. Huh. I don't think it has nav. Doesn't look like it. Dual climate control for driver and front passenger with heated seats. And then you have storage down here, USB port, USB-C port, power outlet there. Push button shift, your drive modes. So I can change to smart, custom, sport, normal. Display several places. I can change some of the settings, it looks like. That's nice to have. Cup holders there, glove box here. Passenger seat looks good. Overhead. Or Blue Link system for Hyundai. And then this does not have a sunroof. But that's okay. This is a good looking vehicle. I don't care what anybody says. It's a good looking vehicle. Lane departure. Open your trunk here. Our stability programming, parking brake. I just opened the trunk. Let's take a look at the rest of the vehicle. Normally I shut the video off for a moment, pause it, but to do this. You have a side airbag here that goes this way, protects the backseat occupants from hitting their, you know, their side of the body from the neck down to their waist. But this looks really good. Plenty of leg room, and I had plenty of leg room in the front. And I'm 6'3", just short of 6'4", so let's look in the trunk. Trunk looks good here. You've got spare tire, plenty of room. Oh, there's a couple of floor mats. Wonder where they go. Seats do fold over. Just pull the tabs. Let's look at this other front seat, or back seat, I should say. You can kind of see for yourself. It's in excellent shape. Let's take the passenger seat. Yeah, that all looks really good. Manual seat. And let's see. Oh, we've got owner's manual even. Nice. Well, this is a good looking vehicle. 2021 Hyundai Sonata SEL. That concludes our walk around.